How to set up two-factor authentication in Discord Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can set up two-factor authentication on the Discord app. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication in Discord Mobile, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Discord application, and then you have to make sure that you're signed into your respective account. Then after you make sure of that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right and you will see this information. Then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you've done that, you will land on this page where you'll find many options, but we want to go to the one that says account and tap on it. Under account also we'll find many options, and there you can see an option that is enable authenticator app. So if you want to enable 2FA, you have to use any authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, and so on. Then you can just tap on authenticator app, then just enter your password and then just verify the code to enable 2FA. This way you can enable 2FA on Discord, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.